So welcome sa part 3 ng ating review. So ang number 10, ang sabi dito, which property is used to write 3 times the quantity of x, y is equal to 3x times y. Now, let's look at letter A muna. Pag sinabi natin commutative, again, pag commutative, we just change the order. For example, meron kang 2 times 3. This is the same as 3 times 2. That's commutative. And if you're going to look at our equation here, hindi yan yung pinapakita dyan. Ano ba yung distributive? Ang distributive is ito. Kung meron kang 2 and then 3 plus 2, this is the same as what? Distribute mo lang, no? Meron kang 2 times 3 plus 2 times 2. Ganun yung distributive, which is not again shown in our expression. Ano ba yung multiplicative inverse? We just multiply it by the reciprocal, no? Para maging inverse. Example, 2. Multiply by 1/2. That is 1. No? So, ang correct answer dito is letter D, associative. Bakit? When it involves the groupings, pag groupings na yung ating chine-change, that is associative property of multiplication. So, that's number 11. Dito, number 12. Which of these values of x satisfies the inequality? So, there are two things you can do. You can do trial and error. You can plug in the values, yung A, B, C, D dito, and then see asan yung correct. Or you can simply solve the inequality. So try natin i-solve. This is again, we combine like terms. So negative 7x is greater than or equal to negative 8 minus 6. So meron tayong negative 7 is less than or equal to negative 14. And then again, since we are looking for x, i-divide natin everything by negative 7. Now again, remember, when you are dividing your inequality by a negative number, yung sign natin is magpi-flip. So this becomes x is greater than or equal to 2. Anong letter ba yan? That is letter D. So number 12, ang sagot natin is letter D. Okay? 11 is D, 12 is D. Let's do 13. The equation, the absolute value of negative 2x minus 5 minus 3 equals k has no solution if. So always remember, pag meron kang absolute value, ang absolute value, it will always produce a positive number. So ang gawin mo dito, transfer mo muna yung negative 3 sa kabila. So meron kang absolute value of negative 2x minus 5 is equal to k plus 3. Alright? So yun yung magiging equation natin. Now again, it will only be false, wala siyang solution if ito will become negative, right? Equals negative. So asan dun sa choices natin will give us a negative number? Ang 5. Negative 5 plus 3 will actually give you what? Will actually give you tawag nito? Negative 2, right? Negative 2. That is negative. So that will make our inequality no solution. So A yung ating tamang sagot. Kasi pag B, it will become 0. Pwede yan. Pag 7, it will become positive. Pag 0 naman, it will become positive. So again, the only time na wala siyang solution if maging negative to dito, which is again satisfied by negative 5, which is letter A in our choices. Number 14. If x is greater than 0, which of the following must always be true? Now remember, it always be true. Alright? So to test this out, lagay na lang natin yung x is 1. Alright? Para mas madali. So ito, if x is 1 greater than 1? Hindi. Mali yan. Right? Ito, 1 squared is 1. Is it greater than 1? Mali din yan. Ito, 1 is greater than 1. Mali din yan. So, asan yung sagot? None of this. Okay? That's number 14. Number 15. Find the value of k such that the quadratic equation 4x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals 2k have equal roots. Alright, so pag sinabing equal roots, remember your discriminant, no? Ano ba yung discriminant natin? Di ba yung inside of your quadratic equation? That is just b squared minus 4ac, right? Pag 0 daw ito, that will give you equal roots. Diba yan yung sabi ng ating discriminant? Pag 0 yan, it will give us again equal roots. So we need to equate no b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. Then hanapin natin yung value of k. So paano yan gawin? First is rewrite muna natin ito in the form ax plus bx, ex squared plus bx plus c. So magiging 4x squared plus 7x plus 3 minus 2k. Now, this will be your A. Ito yung A mo. Alright, ito yung A mo. Ito yung B. And then ito yung C mo, the entire thing. No? The entire thing. This will be your entire thing, your C. So, plug lang natin sa ating discriminant. So, B squared, meron tayong 7 squared minus 4. Ano yung A natin? 4 din. Tapos, yung C natin is 3 minus 2k equals 0. So, solve lang natin, meron tayong 49 minus, ano to? 16. 16, and then meron tayong 3, 2k minus equals 0. Distribute natin yung 16. So, meron tayong 49 minus 48 plus 16 times 2, 32. 32k equals 0. So, meron tayong 49 minus 48 is 1. So, meron kang 1 plus 32k equals 0. Dito ko na lang isulat. Okay? So, meron kang 32k equals negative 1. So, divide everything by 32. Yung k mo is what? Negative 1 over 32, which is letter D in our choices. Follow for more.